you not on?
This is the Brash and Moxie letter. And that is the girls.
Good.
I'm running away. And that there is the boys that Miss Cheryl is holding.
Trying to.
Okay, go ahead and put them down.
Quick.
Let's see your mom. Little girl.
Girl and boy. Hi.
Little boy.
And a boy.
That's a little girl.
This is a boy. Girl. Boy. Girl.
Set them down, Mom. Let them play. And there they go. So that's the crew. And this is 5 weeks.
Got her?
I got her.
Hi. Good girl.
Any questions, give us a call.